Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at Anox Drug Sell, a zone-based drug selling system with dynamic pricing, risk, and a full-on reputation mechanic that actually changes how NPCs react to you. Here's how it works. The more you sell, the higher your rep goes. And that rep is tracked per drug. Build up your street cred, and you'll get better deals, faster sales, and lower risk. But here's the twist. You set your own prices. Go too high without enough rep? The NPC might just walk away. Or worse, snitch and call the cops. It's dynamic, it's immersive, and it brings that gritty realism to street-level RP that most drug systems miss. Let's jump in and see how it all works. To kick off the process of integrating this exciting and dynamic update into your FiveM server, start by visiting the GitHub page, which we've made easily accessible through the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the page, locate the necessary files and download them to your computer. After downloading, extract the contents from the zip folder to access all the required files. Once the extraction is complete, carefully transfer the entire folder into the appropriate directory within your server's configuration that suits its structure and setup. Finally, make a minor adjustment by renaming the folder. Simply remove the word main from the folder's name, and your setup will be ready to move forward seamlessly. Now, inside the script folder, you'll find an SQL file. This needs to be imported into your preferred database. In my case, I'm using HeidiSQL, but you can use any tool you're comfortable with, like PHPMyAdmin or others. Make sure to import the SQL file into your existing database setup. This step is essential to ensure all the necessary tables and data structures are in place. Skipping this might cause parts of the script to not function properly, so don't miss it. Now inside the script folder, you'll find the config file, and this is where the magic happens. Right at the top, you can set your framework. Choose between ESEX, qbcore, qbox, or even let it auto-detect. You've also got options for all your UI elements like progress bars, menus, alerts, and dispatch notifications, all compatible with aux_lib. Next, you can blacklist certain jobs like police or ambulance, and toggle zone bonuses, which reward players differently depending on where they sell. You've also got a full reputation system here. Players gain rep for every successful sale and lose rep if the NPC refuses the deal. The max reputation is configurable, and it directly affects your sale chance. Speaking of that, under sale chance, you've got full control over how base success rates, rep bonuses, and even price greed affect your odds. Go too high on price with low rep, your chances of closing the deal drop fast. Then there's dispatch chance. This defines how often NPCs might alert police during a sketchy deal. Again, it's all affected by your reputation and pricing. The higher your rep, the safer your hustle. And finally, we've got spawn distances, animation timers, and blip settings for NPCs. You can fine-tune how close they spawn, how long they stick around, and how they appear on the map. This config is stacked, and it gives you full control over gameplay balance, economy scaling, and risk management. After extensive testing and productive discussions, I'm thrilled to announce that RocketNode and CODEIN are now official partners. We recognize the critical importance of providing top-tier hosting services to ensure your players enjoy an exceptional FiveM experience. RocketNode comes with DDoS protection, 24/7 support, and cloud backups. They offer extremely customizable FiveM server hosting, allowing you to create your own server with just one click. Their easy-to-use control panel makes it simple to set up and modify your FiveM server. If you're tired of searching for a reliable provider for your community, start building with RocketNode today. Make sure to use the link in the description and get a 25% discount on your server by using the promo code provided below. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to enhance your server with a reliable hosting solution. Now scroll down in the config and you'll find the section where you define all your drugs and pricing. Each drug has its own entry, like oxy, weed, and meth in this example. For each one, you can set the label that shows in the UI, the minimum and maximum price you want players to charge, whether the drug uses clean or dirty money, and the prop that gets shown during the transaction, adding that little visual detail during sales. This setup is super flexible. Now once you're in-game, type the command /drug sell. This will open up a menu showing all the available drugs in your inventory. From there, you can select how much you want to sell and set your own price per unit. But be careful. Don't get greedy. If your rep is low and your price is too high, NPCs will refuse the deal. Or even worse, alert the cops. Once you're ready to sell, you'll see a top bar display showing the sale timer, dispatch risk, success chance, and whether a zone bonus is active. This gives you real-time feedback, so you know how risky each deal is. A blip will appear on your map showing where the NPC is. Head over, interact with the buyer, and make the deal. If all goes well, you'll gain rep and cash. If not, well, better run before sirens start wailing. So why is this script a great addition to your server? Simple. It adds depth, strategy, and progression to the drug economy. You're not just hitting a button to sell. You're working your way up, managing risk, building reputation, and choosing smart prices. With zone-based selling, dynamic success rates, and a full rep system, players actually feel like they're growing their street influence. It also brings natural tension to RP. Some deals go smooth, others might end with police chasing you down. Whether you're running a serious RP server or just want a fun, balanced drug system that rewards smart decisions, Anox Drug Cell delivers big. If you enjoyed the showcase, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more awesome FiveM content and script breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there, dealers. I'm thrilled to announce that CODEIN has officially surpassed 7,000 members on Discord, making it one of the best FiveM developers and server owners hubs. Fueled by this increase in member count, we've added developer AI bots to help fix code snippets for users facing issues. Moreover, users can also create logos for their servers using our logo-creating AI bots. With support for all frameworks from thousands of developers, you'll also find all the necessary free items needed to start a simple roleplay server. So what's stopping you from joining? Join now!